Good morning, everybody. It is freaking cold right now. It's like 7 in the morning and it's 33 degrees, but look what's outside. Oh, and we got headlights. We're headed to a local Cars and Coffee. Let's check out some cool cars. Let's have some fun and have some coffee.
What front end you got under that?
Mustang 2, Speedway.
2.
Yeah, I know there's a couple of them. This is kind of like the cheaper one, the lower end. It was still very expensive though.
Oh, yeah.
But along with that, we tucked the engine back a couple inches.
I see it's back a
down.
bit.
Yeah, can you see it?
I know it well.
I think I've been so used to it that at this point I'm like, it looks the same.
No, I know the old Mustang. I got a 65 Falcon.
Oh, okay, same thing, right?
Same thing.
Yeah.
And I like that front end.
Yeah, so it's been good, and then we got a rack and pinion now rather than the steering box. Yeah, it feels really great. Alrighty, we made it to the show. The Scrappy Boy made it, most importantly. It's looking good. Now let's go take a look at the other cars. Alrighty folks, I think I've seen enough. There was a lot of cars here today. I didn't get coffee because I was holding the camera. So I think I might get coffee now, but debating on heading out.
Blanket attacked me and I was under and I was trying to get out and I couldn't. Lay and eggs. Shake.
Give it a little. Did you hear that?
They're gonna judge my sugar intake.
So what'd you think about Be Fast?
I never got a steak knife.
So I had a little crazy idea. The idea itself isn't that crazy, it's more the timing of it. We're gonna take the Scrappy Boy out for a cruise. So I figured why not, and I posted it on my Instagram. But I wanna get the sunset along our route and maybe get something to eat after. But the thing is It's in 4 hours.
It's not street legal.
All right, so we got 2 cars now. Art here, you guys have seen him a couple times, and we got a newcomer here, Esau. He brought his Subi today.
Yeah.
I'll trade you. Alrighty folks, we're heading out already. We are probably gonna meet 2 more people when we're on the road, but let's head out. There is so much state troopers out today, and my license plate is hanging off the zip ties. Yeah, did you see those 5 state troopers?
Yeah, bro.
We're a little bit late. We've probably missed the sunset, but honestly, I could care less right now. I'm like marinated in carbon monoxide. The only one that's driving nice with Bluetooth audio and AC. Somebody's overheating. I can smell it.
Shower, bro.
It's you. You smell like over.
No. I didn't know where the place was. I've never been.
Who recommended this place? You did?
Yeah.
Have you been here before?
Have you?
No? No, me neither.
No.
Just
The only thing I don't fucking like is olives, man.
Me either. I don't fix with olives. Do you like olives?
I don't care.
But do you like olives?
I don't do it on pizza.
Okay.
Usually do like jalapenos and like chicken or something.
With olives?
Oh, with somebody.
No.
He's still on the olive part, bro. He's like,
You never answered
I
me.
don't
Do you
know.
like olives or do you not like olives?
They're okay, but I'm not gonna be like, I want olives. If they come with it, I'm not gonna like, I want to throw this out.
Are you gonna take them off?
No.
You're rage beating them, too.
So yes or no on the olives?
Let's do carnivore, but just olives.
Okay, so which pizza are we doing then?
Alright. I like the one with the olives.
Do it, cheese pull, do a cheese pull.
Cheese pull, bro. Míralo. Chitapín, bro.
Chiltepin, yeah, that's where it's at. Yo, what the f?
Kermit is packing over here. Shit.
Alrighty folks, so we got a detour going on here. We ended up outside of some shopping complex and there's a ton of cars here. Alrighty folks, we're going to be having another one of these cruises in the next week or two. So in order to stay updated, subscribe to our Patreon or follow us on Instagram. The next time is going to be a lot cooler because we're actually going to make it to see the sunset. And before you go, we're giving away 6 Knipex pliers, 1 gyro line kit, and if you've been skeptical about their accuracy, check out our video where we compared it to a $30,000 alignment rack. The results were shocking. 1 Robo-Bubble detailing kit, a $250 Phytech gift card, and some merch. Huge shout out to Kenneth Solis, Matt McDonald, Adam McCann, my man Kevin Campbell, Donald Webb, Tommy Bryant, and Timothy Salheimer for picking yourself up some scrap tees. You guys are already entered to the giveaway for picking yourself up some scrap tees. Come on guys, enter the giveaway. What are you waiting for?